Ever wonder why there isn't a mounted bearing you could just take out of the box and safely install it in just minutes? So did we. That's why we invented the Dodge Safety Mount Spherical bearing. It's safer, faster, and easier to install than traditional SAF bearings. Safety is more than just a word. It's in our DNA. Most importantly, Safety Mount is safer, which means no hard hammer strikes or weldings are needed to mount or dismount. It is also sensor-ready for safe, remote monitoring. Safety Mount is faster, up to 75% quicker installation than a traditional industrial bearing. Safety Mount is easier. It is a shaft-ready unit that is assembled, greased, and sealed at the factory. We think about safety from every aspect, from design, application, and installation, because safety is more than a slogan to us. Safety Mount. Safer, faster, easier.